In small business marketing, describing a new product to a customer can present a challenge. Explaining a new product to a customer doesn't have to be complicated. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss how to sell and explain a new product to your customer. Being able to communicate the impact a product might have on customers' lives with clarity, respect and authenticity is critical. Customers don't want to feel confused or like they're missing the point, and they don't want to be alienated by a brand they've been loyal to. 88% of customers say the experience a company provides is as important as its products or services. This means the techniques for teaching a market about a new offering have to be even more sophisticated and authentic. It's the key to ensuring successful small business customer relationship management. Here are some tactics for creatively engaging customers with your message that connects and sells. Explain your product like you would your job. Imagine you're at a family gathering, and you are asked, "What do you do for a living?" You give a response in the most simplest way. Apply the same mindset and approach when describing a complex product to your customer. Bear in mind that, just like the cousin who only sees you every couple of years, your customer doesn't have the same knowledge as you. Consider their perspective and explain your product in simple terms. Keep it straightforward. Break down the features of the product and help them feel smarter about how they might use it, and above all else, emphasize how your product can help your customers to solve a pressing problem they're facing. Taking the time to understand your customers' unique pain points will go a long way in building authenticity, trust and empathy in your relationship. Having greater insight into your customers' needs will help you to not only meet, but exceed, their expectations. 96% of customers say excellent customer service builds trust. Leverage your marketing tools. Remember those choose your own adventure books where you could pick different ways to end the story? This is similar, except you're offering different ways for your customers to learn about a product. For some customers, a comprehensive brochure will do the trick. Some might respond to an audio walkthrough in the form of a podcast. Others will do better with an infographic or a video explainer. Often hearing from a customer, someone like themselves, about their experience of the product can also be an effective way of bringing the product to life. Use metaphors to make your product familiar. Most people don't understand how software applications run in a data center. The vivid metaphor of the cloud, one used by Salesforce and many other companies, gives them access to a complex idea in a powerful way. Something that would otherwise seem completely foreign, is suddenly made familiar. A successful metaphor can precipitate huge leaps in understanding. Deceptively simple, they can transform an idea from bewildering to comprehensible. Clever use of a savvy metaphor will give your customer their aha moment. It's all a matter of putting yourself in the customer's mindset. We're all consumers at the end of the day. As a marketer, the best advice is to put yourself in the shoes of a consumer and say, "What shopping experience do I want, both in store and online? Do they know who I am, what I purchased and what I am interested in?" Imagine what they'll use the product for and how you can relate that to something they are familiar with, a creature, a landscape or weather feature, a tool, an action. Use the metaphor consistently in your messaging. A good imagination and the ability to walk in your customer's shoes will go a long way to helping you master the art of selling new products. Start with these 3 tactics for an authentic and vivid approach to inviting your customers into a world where your product description sells itself. Helping people provide a solid foundation for a more secure financial future. One video at a time. We appreciate you tuning in and hope to see you again soon. Hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to click on one of our other videos. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell icon on your way out. See you all next time on Top 5 Hive.